the question is, can you find the error here? So here we have some questions and a solution here. So while doing this, solving this, there are some errors. You have to identify the error. The first question here, it is like this. This is a given 3x plus x plus 5x is equal to 72. And while doing it, it is done 8x is equal to 72, x is equal to 72 by 8, and it is solution is 9. Identify what is the error in this. Can
we should add x plus x plus 5 to 1 and then x we should add equal to 17 and it is having 1x equal to 8.
Here you have to remember one thing, while adding these terms, the coefficients here 3, and here if nothing is there, you have to think that there is 1, and here it is 5. While adding not only 3 and 5, we should add this one also. Even you have not mentioned this, the coefficient here 1. So you have to add this 1 with the other coefficients also. 3x plus 5x, 8x only it is written. So instead of 8x, it should have been the 9x. It should have been 9x. You have to write this 9x. So the correct method is 9x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 by 9. X is equal
to 72 by 9.
It is 8.
It is equal to 8.
This is the error here. While adding this, you have to add the coefficient of x also. Here 1 also. Even though we don't mention this, while adding we consider. So that is what we have written. Coefficient 1 of a term is usually not shown. But while adding like terms, we include it in the sum. Sum means the addition. At the time of addition, we are going to include that one. It is not shown here, but we are going to include that one while adding. So that is the error in the given question now. Now we will go to the second one, second case now. Look at this now. X is equal to minus 3. Now 5 is multiplied both sides. Here 5x is equal to 5 minus 3 and 5x is equal to 2. What is wrong in this?
Sir, 5x is equal to 5 minus 3 comes is equal to minus 15.
So we should
make
use of brackets. Like this. Whenever there is a negative sign, while multiplying, you should write the bracket like this. So then it becomes, this is the error. So the correct method will be, correct method will be like this. So now 5x is equal to 5 into minus 3. We should learn how to make use the brackets now. Here you have to use the brackets for multiplying. So in place of x you are writing, see 5 here as it is, in place of x you are going to write minus 3 means, so then you have to use the bracket here. You have to learn how to use the bracket when there is a negative sign. In place of x you are using minus 3 means, 5 into minus 3 means 5 bracket you have to write. So then your answer will be correct. So this is wrong. Okay. So now 5x will become minus 15. So x is equal to minus 15 by 5, x is equal to minus 3. So this is the correct method. So what is that thing? Remember to make use brackets while substituting a negative value. In place of x you are substituting a minus 3, negative value you are substituting in place of x. 5 into x value here minus 3. 5x you want. 5 into minus 3, that means you have to use here bracket. Suppose x is equal to 3 means 5x, so what you will write here? 5 into 3. Even 5 into 3 you have to use the bracket, otherwise 5x is equal to, if you don't use the bracket it will become 53. If you don't use this bracket it will become 53. Bracket you have to use. Then 15. Okay. Whether it is negative or positive, better to use bracket or into sign before multiplication. So now there is a situation, look at this. 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 4. I have another method. This is first
Sir,
method.
it is not correct, sir.
Which one is not correct? Both.
Distribute 3 to both x and minus 4.
Why?
Sir, because they are in bracket, so sir, should distribute
So while
both.
multiplying, I have written already. So 3 into x minus 4 means you have to use the distributive property. Distribute these 3 to both the terms here, x as well as
Sir,
minus
3x
4.
minus 12.
So this is the correct one and this is wrong. So it is multiplied only to the x and not to the 4. So while multiplying, they multiplied here only to x, but 4 is kept as it is. We have to multiply both x as well as 4. So this is the correct method.
Sir? Sir, show last step, sir.
Okay. So you should remember when you are multiplying the expression enclosed in a bracket, if there is a bracket, so then constant number outside, if the constant is outside, each term which is enclosed in the expression, each term of this expression should be multiplied by this constant. So 3 into whatever that is there inside the bracket, every term should be multiplied by this constant or even variable. Which one is correct now? 2x
Sir,
also.
2x whole square is equal to 4x square is the correct, sir.
So here what is the error here? 2x whole square means this square is for both. So 2x whole square means you have to write 2x into 2x. So the answer is 2 2s are 4, x into x, x to the power 2. So you are applying the square for both the numbers which are inside the bracket, 2 as well as x. So you have multiplied x into x, not 2 into 2. So therefore this is wrong. Okay, so here 2x into 2x you are getting 4x squared. This is a correct method. Error here, 2 not squared here. The number 2 here not squared. Only x is squared, but 2 is not squared. So 2 into 2, x into x. Both you have to do because bracket is there. This square is not only to x, it is also to 2. So now you have to multiply this binomial with another binomial, 2a minus 3 and a plus 2. The answer given here 2a square minus 6. Here 2a minus 3 and a plus 2. The answer given is 2a square plus a minus 6. Which one is correct?
Sir, 2a minus sir, 2a square plus a minus is correct. A minus
What is the error in this one? So this is wrong, this is right. What is the error in this?
Sir, they have multiplied 2a into a and multiply each term before.
So this is multiplied only with this and this is multiplied only with this. So therefore it is wrong. So once you select 2a minus 3 into a plus 2, you know that already the distributive property, you have to multiply this one means 2a
Sir, 2a
minus 3. So you have to select a also, multiply this a also, then plus 2a minus 3 into 2. See, this 2a minus 3 should be multiplied by this a and 2a minus 3 should be multiplied by this 2 also. Now if you multiply 2a into a, 2a square minus 3a, then plus 2a into 2, that is 4a minus 6. So these two are like terms, 2a square plus a minus 3a plus a. These two together forms plus a and then last term is minus 6. So this is the correct answer. So when you are multiplying this binomial with binomial, a should be multiplied to both and 2 also should be multiplied to both. See, selected a, multiplied to both. Selected 2 and multiplied to both the terms. So it is not 1 to 1, we have to multiply every number or a variable to both the terms of the other expression.